What is a cell? What is a cell? The cell is the minimum structural and functional unit of living organisms. Some organisms, like bacteria, are composed of a single cell. Multicellular organisms have many cells. A human is estimated to have 100 trillion cells. Cell requirements for life. All living organisms must be able to control their resources. The cell must be able to dispose of waste. Living cells use resources to create building blocks for cell maintenance, repair, and growth. Must be able to use and transform or produce energy in usable forms for the cell. Organelles in a nutshell. The cell maintains life by assigning each responsibility to specialized cellular machines. These machines are called organelles. Organelles. This segment of the tutorial will focus on the function of many of the organelles. This will include the nucleus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, the mitochondria, and what are organelles? You know that in the human body, organs have specific functions to keep the body alive. Organelles serve the same function but on the cellular level. Organelles have a discrete structure and specialized function. In eukaryotic cells, there are many types of organelles. Examples of organelles include organelles. Let's look inside a eukaryotic animal cell. This is a schematic of a typical eukaryotic animal cell. This is the nucleus. Ribosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Notice that in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absorbed to it, giving it the dotted or rough appearance. Golgi apparatus. Mitochondria. Lysosome. Plasma membrane. Cellular control of resources. For a cell to be viable, that is to survive, to be able to live and reproduce, it must be able to control its resources. Cell regulation refers to all the functions cells carry out to maintain homeostasis. Nucleus. The nucleus controls the cell. DNA, which resides within the nucleus, is the source of information and direction and materials for appropriate resource utilization. Needs. It determines the response. The DNA contains the instructions. Regulation of metabolism. Metabolism is regulated by three general methods: the amount of enzyme made, the catalytic activity of an enzyme, and the accessibility of substrates. Manufacture of building blocks. There are four major building blocks that the cell requires and manufactures either from chemicals or breakdown products. These four building blocks include nucleic acids, carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Organelles making building blocks. What organelles are involved in the manufacture of cells' building blocks? Ribosomes translate DNA and synthesize the initial protein. Rough endoplasmic reticulum edits the newly made protein into a mature final form. The Golgi apparatus puts tags or signals on proteins to direct them to the right place. Vesicles carry the protein to their final destination.